Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix TikTok video under review problem. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the video that you're having a problem with. So just open TikTok, click on your profile, and from here you then want to navigate through your video. Now I only have one post right here as an example, so I'll click on it. You then want to click on the three dots, which is going to be this one. From here, scroll down until you navigate through the privacy and settings. So click on it and then you want to select only you. From there, you then want to restart your application and basically open it back up. From here, navigate back to your profile, click on the padlock icon, and basically you want to do the same thing where you navigate through the privacy settings and then you can just set it to everyone right here. From there, this will then refresh the verification process and this will help you fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.